train crosses a 200-meter long platform in 15 seconds and a 300-meter long platform in 20 seconds at the same average speed. So we have to calculate what is the length of the train and what is the average speed of the train. Now let us see this problem pictorially. Say this is the platform, and the first platform whose length is 200 meter, and the train which starts entering the platform from here, its length is say x. So to cross this platform, the train has to travel a length of x plus this 200. So the total distance traveled by this train to cross this 200-meter length platform is x plus 200. So we can say that total distance covered is x plus 200 meter, and time taken is 15 seconds. So the average speed will be distance divided by time. So x plus 200 divided by 15 meter per second. In the second case, the length of the train remains the same, it is x, but the length of the platform changes to 300 meter. So in this case, the length is 300 plus the length of the train, that is x. So the total distance the train covers in the second case is x plus 300. And the time taken is given in the question, which is 20 seconds. So the average speed is x plus 300, that is the distance, divided by the time, x plus 300 divided by 20 meter per second. Even in the question, the average speed of the train is same in both the cases. So we can say that this x plus 200 divided by 15 is equals to this x plus 300 divided by 20. So we get an equation here, x plus 200 by 15 is equals to x plus 300 divided by 20. Now we divide by 5, it becomes 3, and divide by 5, this becomes 4. So by cross multiplication we get 4x plus 800. 4 into x is 4x, and 4 into 200 is 800, and here 3 into x is 3x plus 3 into 300 is 900. So we move this 3x to this side, it becomes 4x minus 3x is equals to 900 minus 800, or x becomes 100 meter, which is the length of the train. This is the answer of the question A. The length of the train is 100 meter. Now let us come to the second part of the question, where it is asked that what is that average speed. Now we have already seen that in the first case, the speed of the train is x plus 200 divided by 15. So now we have the value of x, so it becomes 100 plus 200 by 15, so it is 300 by 15, or 20 meter per second. So this is the average speed in meter per second unit. Now if you want it in kilometer per hour, then we have to multiply this 20 into 60, it comes in per minute, and again multiply by 60 so that it comes per hour. and this is in meter, so to get it in kilometer we have to divide it with 1000. So it now becomes kilometer per hour. Now this cancels, this cancels, and this 0 this cancelled, so it becomes 2 into 6 into 6, that is 72 kilometer per hour. This is the average speed of the train in both the cases, which is the answer of the part B.